Welcome to my online course. My name is Nova, and I'm here to teach you how to touch type. First, I'm going to show you how to position your hands while touch typing. Later, we'll get into the exercises. They're going to start slow, but this is to build muscle memory. Don't worry, soon enough, we'll get into more challenging exercises. If you're interested in learning how to type with my help, keep watching. But don't forget to click the like button if you like my video, and click to subscribe to my channel too. I'm going to be posting these lessons regularly, so click the notify button so that you know when I've posted the next lesson. Thanks for joining me in this new adventure. Together, we're going to learn how to touch type. Some people might think that sounds boring, but it's anything but. Imagine blowing people away with your typing speed while you're in a multiplayer game. There are so many reasons to learn to type, and school is only one of them. Let's start right now. I can show you how easy it is to practice and learn to type. Take a look at my keyboard for reference. First, put your right hand on your keyboard with your index finger on the J key. See the J key that I'm pressing on my keyboard? Right there. Now, put each of your other fingers on the keys next to it while keeping your eyes on my keyboard here. Your middle finger goes on the K key. Your ring finger goes on the L key, and your pinky goes on the key with the colon and semicolon. During exercises, I'm going to call that the SEM key. Now with your left hand, do the same thing, only with your index finger on the F key. Now put your other fingers on the D, S, and A keys. You're positioned correctly to type right now. Do you feel the slight bumps on the keys beneath your index fingers? The J and F keys? Those bumps are on every keyboard in order to help you position your hands without looking down. Now let's try practicing some simple key presses to start with. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Just keep watching my keyboard to help you out, and begin again whenever you're ready. Remember, you can play these lessons whenever you want to practice. Are you ready? Let's go!